Okay, this could be the last one of today, I'm not sure. It's a CeBIT update, meetmobility.com, and it's 2000 hours, 8 p.m. And JKK is on the line from CeBIT, and we're going to go through a whole bunch of news. We'll kind of do the whole big summary thing and try and give you a little bit more in-depth information of stuff we've seen today. So JKK is on the line out in Hanover. Are you there, JKK?
Yep, I'm here.
Cool. Welcome. You on your own?
Yeah. So of course, I'm alone. Yes, Sasha has to do still some posting, so I'm here alone right now. But the good news is that I'm now on really good network, so video quality should be at least good, maybe even perfect.
Yeah, it's not bad, and there's a little bit of audio delay, of course, but we expected that anyway. So how's your day been?
Oh, it's been busy, but the good news is that it's been busy, but the bad news is that there hasn't been really that much going on because they're still building those booths. So this wasn't the official press day, this was just a press conference day. So most of the booths are still empty from the devices, so we have to wait until tomorrow morning to actually see many of the new devices. Yeah,
today's very much preparation day, day zero. There was a couple of press conferences going on, but I got some quite a few items on my list here that we can go through. So although you probably don't think much has been going on, I think you've passed back a whole load of information. Let's start in reverse order. Actually, I wanted to just pick up one thing we haven't reported on before, and that's that you were with Arcos, and they reported that the Arcos 9 would have a 1.2 gigahertz upgrade. Is that right?
Yes, I got that from the Arcos people. They hadn't yet the new ones on the stage, but they were the Arcos 9 with 1.2 gigahertz CPU. So that's a good news.
Yeah,
it's a small upgrade, but still a good one. One
part of the puzzle that they need to fix, to be honest, because the hard disk needs to be sorted out as well, doesn't it? Really, to be much faster to make it worthwhile. Yeah, that's the thing. I said that to them, and they said that there could be some things happening around that too, but they wasn't willing to give that information out yet. Yeah.
So for people who don't think 1.2 is that much faster, you have to remember that it's now hyper-threading, it has faster bus, and the GPU is much better than the one on the 1.1 gigahertz version. So it should be giving help on the basics.
That's right.
And especially for video views, I think the GPU is much stronger.
So you also looked at the High Vision Speed Pad, which I don't know. Was that the speediest thing there? It doesn't look like it from the specs.
No. It was just one device that I walked through, and they had it there. So, like I said, the problem today is that a lot of booths are there, but there's no device. It's absolutely no. And this was on the side tracks, so I had to check that out.
Always worth checking it out, yeah. You probably won't walk past that booth again, so definitely worth checking it out.
Not necessarily, no. But I'm sure there will be tens of similar devices, some faster, some slower, so we will see more about that on the next days.
Yeah. Has anything happened since I spoke to you last time? I think last time you were talking about the EPC, the Gigabyte 1000, T1000. Anything happened since then?
Well, I think like we thought about the Gigabyte stuff, it was pretty much just an upgrade for multi-touch and upgrade for the Pine Trail. Nothing really different on that. But the EPCs, they were like a double or triple upgrades, which means that we got on the 1080p and 1016p, we got the Pine Trail upgrade, high definition screen upgrade, and then the aluminum upgrade, and man, that looked cool.
Yeah, it looks really. Sasha put up a load of pictures of it. It does look pretty sweet. 18 millimeters thick. There's a Bluetooth 3 option, USB 3 option.
But remember, the 18 millimeter is from the front, not the whole device. So
but it's still a lot thinner than the other netbooks we've seen in the past. It's really looking good.
Yeah, it is.
There was the children's EPC as well, which... Oh, no, that was on the Samsung booth, right?
Sorry, I didn't hear
the
you.
children's device. Was
that
Samsung?
That was Asus too. So Asus is now making... It's the same P series, but now targeted for kids. So nice colors and some branding, Disney branding and so on. But they are pretty... They said they will have a really nice prices, and the safe surfing softwares and other software for kids. So that's a nice thing. And I have to say those netbooks are as good as any netbook with a new hardware. So they are not really a toy; they are full computers. And like I'm saying on my video, I actually liked some of the colors, especially the one with the racing stripe.
It's basically a bit of marketing rather than anything else, right?
Yeah. But the software for safe surfing, that's something we have been talking earlier. And that would be nice for many kids. So hopefully that actually works.
Yeah. So you didn't get a chance to get to the Arcos, or you did get a chance to get to the Arcos booth, but you didn't actually see the 7 and the 8?
No, I haven't seen them. I will see them tomorrow morning, sharp 9 o'clock. So then we have more info on that. And also on the tablet front, I will see the Hanwon tablet again and talk a bit more with the product manager. So we will see.
Good, yeah. The Hanwon is, just for people that are listening, the Hanwon is the Intel Atom-based one with the capacitive multi-touch screen. And looks pretty interesting. And there's rumours that they might be thinking outside Asia on that one. So,
I got some spec sheets about it, and they're also testing orders with the CULV version. So let's see which one it actually will be.
A CULV version, that'll be interesting.
Yep.
And hot.
Yep. But still, I also actually upgraded housing. They are talking about aluminium and carbon fiber, so that sounds cool.
Yeah.
But we will see more about that then.
Yeah. So Charbax had a great video of the Arcos 7. Did you have a chance to look at it?
Oh, of course, I have to look. He's so great. He's so funny and great, and that's a great video.
Yeah, it's an interesting device, isn't it? I mean, if that was $299, we wouldn't even cast a single eye over it. Wouldn't even blinked at it. Yeah,
but for ebook reading alone, that would be nice. So we have to check how dim the screen goes, if it's good for that. But average, I think they're onto something on that too. And related on that, I was talking with Arcos guys, and they were talking about the summer releases. They wouldn't give me exact specs, but the words capacitive screen and capacitive touch and 3G were on the map. So we'll
good. It's nice to see the 3G keyword in there. I think.
But again, in the same sentence, they were talking about if operators are coming. So again, if operators aren't picking their devices, they are not even trying to sell them. So
well, I think they'll need to get stability sorted out before the operators are really going to take them seriously.
Actually, I said to them, and they said to me the same thing, that the iPad, the Dell Mini 5 and others, they're actually helping their sales. So people are now, on average, much more interested in tablets. So that should be...
Yeah, this is going the other way to the UMPC. The UMPC, everyone was interested, then the devices didn't come. This market, no one's interesting, but the devices are starting to generate the interest. It's actually growing in a much better... natural way than doing it from a market-led scenario like the UMPCs were, marketing-led scenario. So, that's cool. What else do we have today? You didn't go to any press conferences, right?
No, there wasn't really.
No. There was a LG business-to-business conference, and Vodafone were talking about some stuff, but nothing.
And you know me, I'm not sitting there. It's not me. I want to walk and check the stuff really hands-on on everything.
Got to get your video camera light going.
Yep. Needs to use the devices I have. The light is here, light is on, and
so
check how it looks without.
We saw you having fun with the EPC keyboard 2.
Yeah, actually that was one I did. So I made a video of the EPC keyboard 2, and actually the upgrade was pretty nice. Capacitive multi-touch screen on the small screen, and now it actually operates as a touchpad, and it was really nice.
Yeah, I'm glad they've got the wireless HDMI sorted out on that as well.
Actually, it's not wireless HDMI; it's wideband wireless, which means that they have like a box for the HDMI port, and it's converting it some way. I don't. Yeah,
okay,
I
wireless.
Don't really know
wireless is the important bit. Doesn't really matter to me as long as how was the video quality? Was it digital? It was digital, I assume. Yeah?
When I played YouTube on YouTube side, it wasn't that good. But they actually have a similar thing going on as on Android and iPhones. That when you click play button on YouTube videos, it actually opens it on their specific
player.
Media player, and that's encoded on CPU, so it's working nicely.
On CPU or GPU?
GPU.
Yeah. GPU. Yeah, so basically like the Arcos 5 would do it, which is a good way to do things. Until, of course, YouTube changed their API and everything breaks.
Yeah. So hopefully fast upgrades on that then. But it was cool. Again, a bit lacking the details, pricing, availability, but it's getting better. That's for sure.
Yeah. So a couple of general things that came out today. Of course, the N470 Atom CPU with a massive 1.83 gigahertz CPU clock rate, which is like maximum 15% more than the 1.6 gig version. So that's really not going to make much difference at all, is it? That's a gift for the marketing teams to play with, as is the N475 and the N455, which are the DDR3 memory capable versions of the CPU, which of course no one really knows what that means in terms of speed, but it's going to look great on specs, right?
Yes, and it makes some people to upgrade just because of that, so it's always good.
Exactly. And stuff that wasn't at CeBIT that you haven't seen yet, although you have seen this one, the Evergroup Paddle, which is the upgraded version of their pad, 10-inch Intel Atom-based device with multi-touch screen, Windows 7 Home Premium, blah, 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 3G. That's an interesting one. The other thing was, Intel launched a $1 million fund, $1 million.
$1 million.
To try and get developers on board for the Intel Atom Developer Program. So they're getting pretty serious about it now.
They are really. That's looking something. I really hope that's going to bring some really cool apps there. But
I hope so. And then people will start to download the App Center onto their netbooks, and then the whole thing gets into a nice vicious circle, picks up speed, and then starts to run itself. And I wonder how many $1 million funds they'll have to throw at it, though, before it actually picks up enough speed to run itself. Yeah,
but hopefully soon. I'm not that convinced on the Windows side, but when we see mobile devices, then it might be something else. Right now, we have, I think, 2 netbooks with a modeling option, and that's it. So we need to have devices too. So
of course, the App Center is actually only running on Windows at the moment, but the MeeGo version of it will come soon. So that's interesting. Yeah. Hey, so no surprises today. Actually, every single bit of news that we had today, apart from the EPC keyboard version 2, had been leaked already.
Yeah. Well, the Arcos 9 1.2, we didn't know that for sure.
A minor upgrade. There's the surprise of the day, the 1.1 to 1.2 gigahertz upgrade for the Arcos 9. I don't think that's going to be good enough, to be honest.
But I think we will see some confirmation on many other things tomorrow. Also, get more hands-on on stuff to give people easier view on how the devices actually feel and look and so on. Other than that, I will be searching a lot on those ATM devices. They look so good. They're full of so many stuff, so have to keep my eye on that.
It'd be difficult to sort through it, but with your eagle eye, you'll be able to sort out the picture frames from the Arcos from the Android tablets, right?
Yep, and also HP tablet thing, not any news about that, but hopefully there it would be something, or compact or whatever. Also smart books, zero news yet on smart books. One thing missing at Asus booth was the reader. So Asus reader will be there. There is a place for that, but it just didn't. It wasn't there yet. plenty of other readers I saw there, so checking out some of the best ones. What else? Touchscreen stuff, plenty of accessories, and so on. So
you're basically just going to hit the floor hard tomorrow, yeah? With the video cam?
Yes, well, yeah, I will hit that hard. And I have some schedule, Arcos first, then Asus, and so on. So I have a plan this time. And really, I have to actually show. Hopefully, you're watching the video because I have to show you a cool thing that I've been actually already using here.
We're watching,
but I will do a video of it tomorrow. So I have the whole CeBIT map here on my Maps editor for Android, and I've drawn all the holes. Hopefully, you can see all the holes on top of Google Maps. And it's GPS enabled, of course.
You got way too much time. Way too much time.
No. And when I press a picture of a hole, it shows the OEMs on that specific holes, and it's cool. It's been helping already. So I will be using that tomorrow to navigate, to save time, and all
right. So there's no excuses tomorrow. No excuses tomorrow.
Yeah. And actually now with the Droid upgrade, the cam, the still cam is working great. So you have seen some pictures I've been taking. Every picture is taken with the Droid. So it's working now. Nicely now.
Good. I think, it was working before. Just the autofocus was a little bit dodgy, wasn't it?
Yeah, the Droid. Yeah, the focus was the one. Now it's great.
Yeah,
I'm enjoying it.
All right, JKK, let's wrap it up there. Unless there's anything else, we talked about everything, I think. My queries for tomorrow are: when you see an Android tablet, ask them, how do you intend to get Google Marketplace on it? I'm really interested to hear.
Yeah, I asked this one today, and they said we don't need that. People can download apps from the internet.
Yeah, this is going to be the difference between these cheap Asian models and the proper stuff, the real stuff.
Yeah, but like that one, it was 100. They said under $100 end user price. So
yeah, that doesn't surprise me.
Yeah.
And the Compact AirLife 100. Check that out tomorrow. I'm quite interested to see if we can get prices and anything out of them for Germany. O2 is the carrier in Germany that would take it. What else have we got? You've got press conferences tomorrow. Is Asus doing something tomorrow, I think?
I think there was, let me see again.
Samsung?
There was, but I don't remember anything. I have, again, everything on Droid on a calendar. So tomorrow is only Intel in the morning, and then Asus, was it 10 o'clock? So
okay, so Intel is a press conference in the morning. That could be interesting.
Yeah, but I think that's it's German, and actually for I think it was on that what's that called, like high-end computing. So I'm not sure.
Business server stuff, racks, and all that rubbish that runs the internet. But they used to do a mobility meeting, but last year they didn't do it. Perhaps they've dropped that now. I'm not aware.
I haven't found that. If you can check that on your channels and see if there's anything I could go. But right now, I think I'm hitting the floor hard on the morning.
Check out the Intel booth, and maybe there's... I'm not expecting new stuff in that cool wall, but check it out anyway,
Yeah.
Cool, thanks JKK.
Cool.
So I think this will probably be the last one for today, to be honest. I don't expect anything else to happen today, so we'll carry on again from midday tomorrow,
Early in the morning, I think tomorrow morning we will have an update at 10 o'clock, right?
10? All right, let's aim for an update at 10 tomorrow that we'll record, yeah? Cool. Hey, thanks very much. Okay. Have a nice evening. Enjoy your food, yeah?
You too.
See ya.
Thanks,
bye. JKK. So that's JKK out in Hanover. I guess he's earned himself a beer tonight. And that's it for today's CeBIT Roundup from Meet Mobility at CeBIT. We'll be back tomorrow, probably at 10 o'clock, maybe at 12. Drop in. We'll see you then, all right? So Meet Mobility is JKK from jkkmobile.com, Sasha from netbooknews.com, and Chippy from UMC Portal and carrypad.com. And from 12 o'clock tomorrow, every 2 hours, as long as there's news left, into the evening. And come and chat with us in the chat room at meetmobility.com/live. We'll see you there, alright? Cheers, thanks for watching, bye-bye.